In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon voucher for your shopping needs. Whether you received this voucher as a gift or a special promotion, incorporating it into your next purchase is simple. Let's walk through each step so you can confidently redeem and spend your voucher. First things first, let's redeem that voucher. You'll need to locate your specific voucher code. If you're holding a physical gift card, this code is typically printed on the back. In the case of a digital voucher, check the email or message you received. It should be listed there. Once you've got your code at hand, head over to Amazon's gift card redemption page. You can get there by simply searching for Redeem Gift Card on Amazon, or by navigating through your account settings, usually under the Gift Cards section. With that page open, follow the straightforward instructions to enter your voucher code. This step will add the voucher value directly to your Amazon account, transforming it into a balance ready to spend. Now that your voucher is securely redeemed, let's move on to using it during checkout. Begin by shopping for items like you normally would. Keep in mind that some vouchers may only be applicable to certain items or categories, so double-check that what you're adding to your cart qualifies. Once you're happy with your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll need to choose your payment method. Here's where your Amazon account balance comes into play, now boosted by the voucher you redeemed earlier. On the payment settings page, you'll notice your Amazon account balance as a payment option. Go ahead and select it. If the voucher value covers your entire purchase, you're all set to complete your order with no additional steps needed. However, if your purchases exceed the voucher amount, don't worry. Amazon allows you to split payments. Simply add another payment method, like your credit card, to cover the remaining balance. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully redeemed and used an Amazon voucher for your shopping. If ever in doubt, remember that Amazon's customer service is there to assist you with any questions. Happy shopping and enjoy the perks your voucher brings to your next Amazon purchase.